Bonafide Hustler here. It's an extremely windy day here in Austin, Texas, but I think it's still cheddar weather, so let's get this vlog started. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the outside of my house. I have cactus. Good to see everybody. And if you're paying attention on the last vlog, I did get ripped off. Actually standing right here. There was something that was in that corner that didn't, it got sold, but I never got money for it. A guy's coming up right now to pick up this bike. He's literally showing up early. It's just super uncomfortable. But we're gonna get this bike sold. I'm $300 into it. I'll explain later. I think we can sell for $850, hopefully. So I mentioned that bike for $200 when I bought it. Then I did a $100 suspension job. I listed it for $1,000, then $950, then it said $850 right now. And we'll see if this guy buys it for $850 or close to $850 or offers me $750. I will take about $750. That's the lowest I'll go. But he is 6'2". This is an extra large bike. It's the kind of buyer that would buy this bike. So I'm excited to see if we can even make a deal on this one. So he's putting it in his car, and we just sold that thing. We just sold the bike for $575 Venmo plus $200 in cash, so effectively $775, which is pretty good. So into it for like $300, so made $475 on that deal. It's a pretty good bike flip. I'll take it all day. Okay, it's the next day, and just got done with a workout, which was a good workout. We got this bike right here, and I picked up, I think, a week and a half ago. I believe I picked this thing up for like $30. Anyway, we got someone checking it out, probably 5 minutes out for $275. What kind of bike is this? Let me show you. This is a Live A-Lite. I think I showed it on a vlog before this, or maybe the vlog before that. This is just an A-Lite 3 extra small frame, aluminum bike, hybrid, step-through frame, very important. A lot of women really like this. So it's a pretty basic bike. We don't have, disc right there or anything like that. It's just linear pull brakes, normal brakes. We have rapid power shifters, and this bike should sell for $275 here in a second. But that's what's going on. We got another bike flip the very next day, and I got to repost a bunch of listings. Man, there's a lot that I have to do today. And then E-Money comes in town tonight, so maybe we're going to see him on this vlog. I'm not sure, but fingers crossed and legs crossed and everything. I'm crossing everything that he ends up on this vlog. It should be a lot of fun. Okay, I think we have someone arriving right here. See if we can get this bike sold. Oh, they have a bike rack too. Look at that. So it turns out the person is actually, I think, buying it for her friend. So we should be at $275 cash. I think that's where we're going to end up. All right. So I actually sold it for $280 cash. That's pretty good. So yeah, I made like $250 profit on that bike flip, which was, that bike needed nothing. It was used less than 5 times. And those are the kind of bike flips I like a lot. Live is just an interesting brand. I mean, a lot of women, every Live bike I've ever bought sells pretty quick. So the A-Lite is a good hybrid bike that the women like a lot. They have other mountain biking models that sell really well too. But the Live A-Lite model, if you can find that one with basic brakes or even the disc brakes, I mean, you can sell the disc brake ones for like $400 to $500. It's a good brand to look out for. Live is the women's brand of Giant. So now that I think about it, I might actually be like 60 or 75 into that bike. I don't even know, but regardless, I know I said 30, but I'm like, was it 30 or was it 60? Was it 70? I try to get really good deals on bikes, obviously. But, I'm sitting on probably 15 to 20 right now. I can't remember every price that I bought these things for, but certain ones I remember. So that one is either 60 or 75 or 30. Either way, it's cheddar weather. A couple hours down the day. I swear when a day gets nice, like obviously it's like super nice weather here in Austin, Texas, like the bike sales just start going through the roof. Anyway, got another bike that we're looking at selling here. This one I've actually held for like 2 months, maybe a little bit longer, but this was a $200 find. And so we got someone looking at it for $450, talked down from like a $500 asking price. So we'll see if the person's into it or not. This is a medium specialized Carve mountain bike. It's actually a really cool mountain bike, 29-inch wheels, everything. Like, it's a nice mountain bike, hydraulic disc brakes. So I'm gonna give it one final like twirl around the cul-de-sac, make sure it's good to go. And then, yeah, we are gonna hopefully sell this thing today for $450. Kind of crazy, but I don't know if you realize in the background shot there were all these lanterns here. We had to take these back from the booth because people were complaining that it was smelling like propane in my booth and it was making them like dizzy and high. I'm not even kidding. So they had to confiscate these, and they figured out that 2 of the 6 were not shut all the way off, But either way, there shouldn't be propane in the tanks of any of these, and there's propane, a little bit of propane in the tanks of all of these. So they had to take them all out. They put them in a box in the back of the mall, like way tucked in the back, and they told me to come pick them up. Now that I picked them up, I think the best option here is to either clean them all up and drain them and all that crap, which I don't really want to do, or it's going to be to just sell them as a lot, which I think I'm going to do on a local avenue. So that's what I think we're going to do on this, is just put a lot together on Facebook Marketplace, and then, I don't know, 200 bucks or so. I mean, we're into these things for like $5 a piece. And there's like 6 of them, I want to say, or less. Okay, so $5 or less. We don't usually pay any more than that. And some of these are, you know, it's like some of these are small tops, some of these are big tops, some of these are green. There's one that's brown. The very last one's probably the most current day one, if there is one. I don't know if you can see right there. So yeah, I'll figure out what a good deal will be, and we'll definitely move them as a lot locally. Now, it's not to say that I'm not going to pick them up ever again and not put them in the booth, but the next time if I switch around and I hear propane, then I'm going to definitely have to, you know, like dump them out, like throw water through them, all that kind of stuff, so that none of that propane smell is there. Okay, it looks like the person just pulled up right behind the cactus. It's time to get this bike sold. Okay, so it's sitting in the back of that car, and we did $400 cash and $50 on Venmo. So effectively $450, made $250 on that bike. That's pretty good. We're the very next day, and we are, I found something on Facebook Marketplace, basically, and...
What'd you find?
Who is that? The tornado is back.
E-Money here.
So E-Money is in the house. He's in town. We also have Z-Money right here. There she is. We found something on Facebook Marketplace, or I guess I did. It was a $75 brass lamp, pretty big. That's why we're in the SUV. And we're gonna go pick it up. It's only about 14 minutes away. I offered 50 bucks, and you know, it's a big brass lamp. The last time I resold one of these things, they sell for really good money. I'm talking like 300 to 400 bucks. So this one's really big, probably about 5 or 6 feet tall. And we're about to go put it into this SUV or something like that.
You're gonna, oh wait, hang on. It's for you, it's for you, it's for you.
It's for me?
Yeah.
Oh my God. My God, hello? Yes. Yes. Okay, that's fine. All right. Here, it's for you. They said you're small. You need to go to the gym more.
No, I'm gonna get all the gains.
Okay, he got all the gains on the phone, finally. Okay, we arrived at the house and we're about to see this thing. E-Money!
Yeah.
What do we have here?
Some sort of satellite light apparatus.
It's a satellite light apparatus. Satellite light apparatus. Pretty big. We're gonna put it in for like 300 bucks or so. We just bought it for 50 bucks. This lamp is huge.
All right, for those of y'all in the comments, what is this thing? Without this, of course.
Okay, I think this. So we're just at the booth, and here we put the lamp right there. And it looks like E-Money actually likes the booth a lot too. He thinks it's better than the last booth that we had. But yeah, pretty cool lamp. There it is, 50 bucks this morning. Facebook Marketplace. I think it's kind of like brass. I mean, when you touch it, you smell your fingers, and it smells brassy. So anyway, that's pretty much that. We're leaving it. So the booth looks good. We actually went to a Savers after that, and we actually also went to the Goodwill bins. We found a couple things to the bins. In that Savers, I found this climbing lot right here. As you can see, we have some climbing rope. We have an actual harness right there. We have a figure 8 carabiner. This was found in the Savers for like $7 out the door. I really think I could sell this thing between like 30 and 50 bucks as a lot locally. Also got this antique cane that we'll probably put in the booth for around 30 to 40 bucks. Nothing super crazy, but it does have a horse head. So this was like $5. We used a little coupon for that. And then at the bins, found 2 bags. One's a leather kind of duffel bag, as you can see right here. Nothing super crazy. And my girlfriend picked up this at the bins. So we probably paid nothing, like $5 for both those things. That's gonna go in the booth for like 30. This will go in the booth for like 30 to 50 bucks. I think we're gonna end the vlog here because tomorrow is garage sale day and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I think E-Money is gonna be there, so stay tuned for the next vlog. And if you're enjoying this vlog, put a comment down below. I answer all the comments in day one. And I'll see you on the next one. But yeah, some great sales with bikes, especially in the very first part of this vlog. And we found some cool things here, and the booth looks pretty good as well. We'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.